Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a triple treble crochet stitch. Start with the foundation chain. You can learn how to do it by watching my other videos from the series for beginners. Start by adding another 6 chain stitches to your foundation chain. Now yarn over 4 times. That's a lot, so be careful not to lose any of the loops. Find the 7th chain stitch counting from the hook. Insert the hook in the stitch, still keeping an eye on the yarn overs so that they don't unravel. Pull up a loop. You should have 6 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through the first 2. You should have 5 loops on the hook now. Grab the yarn again and pull through another 2. Now you have 4 loops. Pull through another 2 so that you have 3 loops. Repeat. Now you have 2 loops. Now pull through the last 2 so that you are left with just 1 working loop. This is your first triple treble crochet stitch. Continue in the same way. Yarn over 4 times, insert the hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop. You've got 6 loops on the hook. Work them 2 by 2 until you are left with 1. Now make 1 triple treble crochet stitch in each of the foundation chains, including the slip knot. Great! Now let's move to the next row. Again, we need 6 additional chain stitches to start because this is our turning chain. Now turn the work over. In all tall crochet stitches, the turning chain serves as a stitch and is essential for maintaining the correct stitch count. Once you locate the right stitch, yarn over 4 times and start working. This process should feel familiar, as you've already practiced it in the previous row. When you reach the end of the row, remember that the turning chain also counts as a stitch. Find the chain stitch right next to the regular stitch and work the last triple treble there. Since this stitch is quite tall, it can be tricky to keep the tension right. Try holding the yarn overs in place with your fingers as you pull through and adjust the tension with your other hand. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!